Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about quantum programming. Quantum computing is a relatively new and rapidly evolving field of computer science. While traditional computers are built around bits, which can either be 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. Quantum programming is the process of developing software for quantum computers. Quantum programming languages include Qiskit and Cirq. These languages enable developers to create algorithms that take advantage of the unique properties of qubits. One of the most well-known quantum algorithms is Shor's algorithm, which is used for factoring large numbers. Factoring large numbers is difficult for classical computers, but Shor's algorithm can do it exponentially faster on a quantum computer. This algorithm has significant implications for cryptography and could potentially break the security of commonly used encryption methods. Another important quantum algorithm is Grover's algorithm, which can be used to search in structured databases. This algorithm can also be used to solve optimization problems more efficiently than classical computers. Quantum programming is still in its early stages, and there are many challenges that must be overcome before quantum computers can be used for practical purposes. For example, qubits are very sensitive to their environment and can easily become decoherent, which means that the information they hold is lost. Researchers are working on ways to mitigate this problem through techniques like error correction and fault tolerance. In conclusion, quantum programming is an exciting and rapidly evolving field of computer science that has the potential to revolutionize many areas of research and industry. While there are still many challenges to be overcome, the development of quantum computers and quantum programming languages has the potential to solve problems that are currently intractable on classical computers. We hope you found this video informative, and we encourage you to learn more about quantum programming and its potential applications.